Welcome to Movies Adda and this is your Bollywood guide G9 यानी कि दिव्य सोलगामा in conversation with talented actor Hrithik Roshan over the box office success of his latest film Bang Bang. Hrithik, first things first, what's your reaction to the huge box office response to your film Bang Bang despite of weak reviews for the film where critics like us have rated it on an average level?
The only way to judge the success of a film in its entirety is the numbers. क्योंकि you can have जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि must have heard if you are watching my interviews that you can be surrounded by 10,000 people around you who are praising you to the skies. जैसा कि हुआ है मेरे साथ में कुछ फिल्म्स जो मैंने की हैं which is little bit on that spiritual side and internalizing and sad space and life के बारे में क्या है. There are people who have given me so much praise for some films. 10,000 people around me. ये भी हो सकता है that they are the only 10,000 in the world who have liked the film. So how do you understand what the film is, how much the film has actually been appreciated? It's only through the numbers. That gives you a perspective around the entirety of the film. कि पूरे country में या abroad, internationally, how much the film has been loved comes only through the numbers. So numbers in that way is very very important. हर इंसान का opinion matter करता है मुझे पर्सनली, क्योंकि पता नहीं आपको कि कहाँ से एक लाइन किसी ने कह दिया दैट कैन प्लांट अ सीड ऑफ थॉट इन योर माइंड एंड दैट कैन बी योर एक्सेस पॉइंट ऑफ ग्रोथ. उससे आपको कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ग्रोथ मिल सकती है. लेकिन जैसा कि सिड का ओपिनियन है कि जिन फिल्मों ने 100 करोड़ क्रॉस किया है लाइफ टाइम में इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ सिनेमा, all of those films have got mixed reviews. So I respect them. I have got reviews which have made me out to be some kind of god in other films, but they've not made money. So you have to do all kinds of films. You do some films to make them happy. You do some films to make them happy, and then you do some films to make everyone happy. अभी सिड की जो vision है of making films is very lot like my father. तो अगर मेरे पापा से मैं बोलूँगा कि पापा एक छोटी फिल्म जो इसके बारे में हो, जो एक मैसेज भेजे, जो लाइफ के बारे में कुछ make people think of life, of some spiritual growth. So नहीं, I want to make a film with sunshine. My father makes films of sunshine and dance and drama and confrontation, entertainment. So Sid is very much alike my father in that regard. And in doing that, he has surpassed him on the first day of the collection of Bang Bang has passed the first day record of Krish 3. तो मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ. पापा I don't know, but मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि मेरे लिए it is a growth. It is one step ahead of my last film. सालों के बाद I have given something to my fans that they were requesting me for. यार they want to see me dance, they want to see me do the cool kind of action that I've done in Dhoom 2. तो when I got this platform that Sid gave me, I did this film. I said यहाँ पर मुझे मौका है to do all the things that I have not done. अग्निपथ में I have not danced. It's all अकबर में. They all films जहाँ पर personally I felt great कि यार मैंने कुछ एक character based film की है that talks about this magnificent journey. But they are these like Krish 3, this film, they are entertainers. I have not done entertainers. मैंने 3 बार अपनी lifetime में ऐसी films की हैं और एक थी कहो ना प्यार है. उसके बाद मुझे जो एडुलेशन मिला, it's a different kind of adulation. धूम 2 के बाद भी similarly a different kind of adulation. That is another world of adulation. और Bang Bang के बाद भी ये 3 टाइम है मेरे फिल्म्स में जहाँ पर वो adulation है, वो it has been a different kind. Different how? Because like गुजारिश के बाद या even Krish 3 के बाद, अग्निपथ के बाद, adulation और praise में थोड़ा respect आ जाता है कि wow, जो आपने किया was very very good. Bang Bang के बाद, धूम 2 के बाद respect का कुछ मतलब नहीं है. It is just and screams and oohs and ahs. तो वो भी देख के मुझे होती है कि I have pleased a different section of the audience in a different way. So I did this film only for that reason. It will give me a chance to do all the things that I have not done in the past 6 years.
Ritik, much has been spoken about your water-based stunt in the film Bang Bang, but there's another action scene which was shot on the rooftops of Shimla. So how tough was that shoot? As I guess you shot it right after your surgery.
इट वॉज वेरी टफ यार, बहुत ठंड थी और ठंड में व्हेन यू डू एक्शन आपके जो जॉइंट्स हैं वो सब जकड़ जाते हैं एंड टू लूसन अप एंड टू मेंटेन बैलेंस. हमारा क्रू जो वहाँ पर था दे वर अबाउट व्हाट 120 पीपल ऑन द रूफटॉप्स ऑफ शिमला. मतलब वो घरों के अंदर जो हो रहा होगा पता नहीं वो लोग क्या सोच रहे होंगे, क्या कर रहे हैं छत के ऊपर. बट दे वाज वेरी नाइस टू अस, दे वर वेरी गिविंग पीपल. दे गिव अस अ लॉट ऑफ लव, लॉट ऑफ दे हेल्प्ड अस अ लॉट. And it was a very difficult and dangerous location to do those stunts. And I had just come back from my surgery. I had just become okay. I could not take loud sounds, so I was with earplugs throughout this film. I've done this whole film with earplugs. So गानों में भी when the song, normally जब you're dancing in front of the camera, you want this. Normally हम बोलते हैं कि यार loud, more loud. I want to feel it. तो वो लग्जरी मेरे पास थी नहीं. तो जो मैंने डांस किए हैं इट इज विद मफल्ड साउंड. मतलब मेरे को हार्डली आई यूज्ड टू हियर द पंप ऑफ द म्यूजिक. फिर भी आई थिंक आई मैनेज्ड समहाउ. सो या.
Ritik, lastly, what's the best response or feedback you got for your role or the film after the release of Bang Bang?
मेरी सबसे बड़ी जो खुशी रही है वो ये थी कि आई रियली वांटेड माय चिल्ड्रन टू लाइक द फिल्म. क्योंकि वो लोग इतने एक्साइटेड थे आफ्टर सीइंग द प्रोमोज एंड ऑल. They were like, bang bang, when bang bang, papa bang 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 bang. So I was like, yeah. Let me just make it like completely okay for you to see it. और फिर दिखाने से पहले I had to prepare them कि इसमें dialogues भी हैं और ये भी है और वो भी है, तो don't just go and see it as an action film. लेकिन picture देख, they saw late night show. They were like alive till the end of the film. और picture के बाद they are continuously saying this is the best film we've seen. This is the best film we've seen. Bang Bang is the best film. So I am so relieved. I am so happy कि वो reaction जो था was my most important reaction.